Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review a case for the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. This is a case by TesRank, so we're going to unbox this. It's pretty simple. It's a little box with a bit of plastic at the top, which I'll use my jerry rig everything knife to open up and get into. And one of the reasons I purchased this case is the price. It's less than £6 sterling on Amazon at the moment, and there was also a voucher available for it. And it's a basic black TPU case. Nothing to write home about. It's a simple black TPU case, and it fits quite snugly if I can get it in. Let me try going from the bottom up. Yes, there we go. So yes, it's a very snug fit. And as you can see, the camera bump is well represented in the case, or well contoured in the case. There is a little bit of lift on the camera bump here, which is a good thing in my view, because it means you can put your phone down on a surface with its back up and you'll be less likely to scratch that all-important camera module setup that's there. Now, let's have a look at what the case has to offer. So on the right hand side we have buttons, power and volume, and a little lanyard loop, couple of holes there. So if you want to wear this on a lanyard or with a wrist strap, you can do so. The other side is completely smooth. The top just has one little microphone hole on it, and the bottom has perfect cutouts for microphone, speaker and USB Type-C port. So all the cutouts you'd expect are there. Let's check those buttons. So the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G has power on and off, and this works great. It has volume up and it's not sticky, volume down and it's not sticky. So overall, I think that's a good case. It works, as in you don't have sticky buttons, and the case itself gives you just a little bit of a lip of raising the screen off a surface. So if you were to put it face down on a surface, it would be less likely to get scratched. In terms of ergonomics, it's very, very similar to the device itself. So very comfortable to hold. It doesn't add much in terms of thickness, just a little bit, but it gives you the feeling that it protects the case, the case protects the phone quite well. And in terms of corner protection, there seems to be a decent amount of it. So overall, I think for £6, if you can wait a day for it to be delivered from Amazon here in the UK, I think TesRank have a decent basic case for the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. And for less than £6, I don't think there's much to complain about. So we'll leave a link in the description to where you can purchase this case on Amazon UK. That's an affiliate link, so if you do purchase from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.